And then after that little walk we just had, I just ran over to place, put him right on the place board, put him in a down, no treats, just hand luring and the leash. And I'm just gonna like give him a little love and just hang with him. You did good. Very good, buddy. And we're gonna go inside, get some water, have a little rest. You did very nice. Good boy. But do nothing with your dogs, guys. Super important. Just me and Mooks. He's laying in place after a little session and a walk. There's birds chirping and people walking around the daycare. It's just me and him, you know? Good boy. Car pulling up. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Doesn't care, just wants to chill. Fulfillment. If he needs help, I'll tell him, you know, stay. Good. As long as he's checking in with me, he can look around. Stay. Good boy. Attaboy.